Hello and welcome to another session of Groundbreakers Live. I'm your host Javed Mohammed, and I'm very honored to have with us Rodrigo Mesquita, who is an Oracle ace as well as an Oracle developer consultant. Rodrigo, welcome.
Thank you, Jared. Thank you for inviting me.
All right. So let's get straight into the heart of things. Um, how did you become involved with Apex?
Yeah, I got involved with Apex back in 2007. I think it was Apex 3.2. The IT manager of the company I was working for asked me to do some tests with Apex, and I got very excited. I think I was not happy at that time. I was working with forms, and I really liked Apex, and I decided that from that time I wanted to work with Apex.
Okay. So I'm sure you worked on many different kind of projects on Apex. Is there something, and I know it's always probably hard to pick one, but can you pick one that you're really proud of?
Actually, not the it's not about the project, the app,
Uh-huh.
but uh, uh, we had a client that asked us to create an app in a very short period of time,
Hmm.
and I don't think that if we were using any other technology, we were able to deliver that. And I think was really excited because we delivered that in time. Yeah, this it's more about not the product, but what uh, Apex can make us do in a short period of time.
Nice. Okay. Um, so I'm sure you developed some best practices along the way. Are there any that you can share just for the benefit of the folks out there, but maybe who are just learning about Apex?
Well, make it simple. Try to use many Apex components as much as possible.
Hmm.
And I don't think Apex is for someone that is not a developer. You need to have some knowledge on creating database objects, JavaScript, and I believe if someone that doesn't know how to develop, try to use Apex, that person will probably create some map, but it is not. It is more about uh, it's more about creating good apps, and for that you need knowledge and maybe know CSS, JavaScript.
So there's some baseline understanding of different developer technologies that you need.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
If you come from, for example, if you come from a Oracle Forms environment, you can't replicate what you did there. You need to know how a web environment works.
Hmm.
So it's very important. The much that you know is better.
Okay. And just the opposite of best practices are things to avoid. Anything you would say. So if you're again trying to come up with Apex, is there any lessons in terms of things to avoid?
Yeah, I think avoid. Don't try to don't try to come up with the desktop environment and replicate that on a web environment,
Mhm.
and basic that.
Okay. All right. So I have to ask you, I know off camera we were talking just before we started the interview. I see you're originally from Rio de Janeiro and now you're in Leeds. And no put down on Leeds, but as I understand it, the weather maybe there is not as great as Rio. So how has that transition been for you?
Yeah, actually, the weather is kind of crazy here in the UK, but we got used it. We had uh, like a summer last week, and now you have like a proper winter. It's yeah, but you get used it. Yeah, I'm now I'm I'm used to that.
You got used to it.
Yeah.
And the weather in Rio, does it pretty much feel like summer all year round over there?
Yeah, most of the year. Yeah.
I see. Okay. All right then. Well, Rodrigo, thank you so much for giving us your time as well as talking about Apex. All the best.
Yeah. Thank you.